David Henry Wang's award-winning Broadway play MButterfly has come to Cebu for its 2019 national tour.
MButterfly is actually based on a true story. It's a 1986 pop culture between a French diplomat and as an opera singer, a Chinese opera singer. So it shocked the world in 1986, a love affair between the two of them. So here comes a spy and then a diplomat, and the diplomat was actually married, so it was quite a scandal.
The world-class Broadway play is produced by Tony and Grammy Award winner Jet Tolentino. This is backed by an equally award-winning cast including R.S. Francisco and Janine Desiderio.
I also would like to stress that this is a not-for-profit run. We donated 12 million pesos last Manila run to 27 charities nationwide. And here in Cebu, we have the Arts Council of Cebu Foundation as our beneficiary, as well as the Children of Cebu Foundation. So we have two beneficiaries that will benefit from the Cebu run.
MButterfly runs on March 14 to 17 in Cebu, March 28 to 31 in Davao, May 8 to 19 in Manila, and May 30 to June 2 in Baguio.
I would like to invite everyone to follow us on social media, #MButterflyPH. We're on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. So you can catch all the actions, all our interviews from other cities, and the behind the scenes, and our cast also.
MButterfly is truly a world-class performance you shouldn't miss. For MyTV Cebu, this has been Raya de Guzman.